Hello, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. Children, let's get started with our today's morning maths class. So yesterday we did profit and loss. Today also we are going to do profit and loss. We can say this is profit and loss part 2. Let's see what all things we are going to cover in this. Whenever sale and purchase happens, there can be either profit or loss, but it all depends on the situation. In case of profit, like how we can find how much is the profit? Selling price at whatever you are selling minus the cost price, the price at which you purchased from the market. That is, if you subtract them, you will get the profit. And if it's a loss, the cost price at which you purchased minus the selling price, the price that you bought at which you bought it, will give you loss. In profit, selling price is more than the cost price. In loss, cost price is more than the selling price. Okay. Now, profit and loss expressed as percentage. If you need to find profit percentage, it's profit by the cost price times 100. And if it's loss percentage, it's loss by the cost price times 100. So profit percent or loss percent, whatever it is always calculated on the cost price. So whether you're finding profit percentage or loss percentage, profit by cost price or loss by cost price times 100. A person buys a bicycle at 2000 and sells at 2200. Find the profit percent in the sale. How much profit is there? So what you need to do is profit, is selling price minus the cost price. Yeah. Profit selling price is 2200 and cost price is 2000. Then you will subtract it. It will give you 200. Now to find the profit percent, it's profit divided by the cost price times 100. So what is the profit? Profit is 200 divided by the cost price, which is 2000 times 100. After cancelling and doing everything, it is 10%. 200, 200, this is 10, of course. Then 0, 0 cancel. This is 10%. Okay. I'll show you how I canceled. It was like this, right? I'll write, okay. I'll write 200 like that only. In the denominator, I'll write 200 times 10 and here times 100. So 200, 200 cancel. This will be 100 by 10. So you can write 100 as 10 times 10. In the denominator, it's 10, 10, 10 cancel. 10% is the answer. Okay. Next question. A person buys a bicycle at 3000 and sells at 3600. Find the profit percent. So bicycle, this bicycle was for, 3000 and he sells it at 3600. Find the profit percent. Let's see how to do it. 1 second. Yeah. Okay. So you know that this is the cost price. This is the selling price. Yeah. First, we need to find the profit. Profit is selling price minus the cost price. Selling price is 3600. Cost price is 3000. Okay. Which is equal to 600. Profit is 600. Now, to find the profit percent, it's like profit by the cost price. I can write cost price as CP also times 100. So profit is 600. Cost price is 3000 times 100. Solve this. So here, let's do this. 2 zeros cancelled. 6 ones are 6, 6 fives are 30. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and 20. That is 20%. You can also solve this in a different way, like that was another way. So 600 can be written as like 600 with respect to 3000. Here, 3000 with respect to 600. Here, 600 will be like that only, times 100 here. So 600 times 5, I can write 600 times 5. 600 cancel. 100 by 5 can be written as 5 times 20 and 5 here. 5 cancel, 20 is the answer. That means 20% is the profit. Profit is 20%. Yeah. Okay, a person buys a plot at 4 lakhs and sell it at with like at a price of 4,60,000. So this is the cost price and this is the selling price. Find the profit percent in the sale. Find the profit percent in the sale. I want you to do it. Yeah. Okay. So here, if I talk about the profit, profit is cost price minus the selling price. Cost price is 4 lakh. Oh, wait, sorry. Selling price minus cost price. Wait, I have written it. Okay. So here, this is selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 4 lakh 60,000. Yeah, it's 4 lakhs and 60,000. Cost price is 4 lakh. Yeah, so the profit is 60,000. This is the profit. Now we need to find out the profit percent. To find the profit percent, what we need to do, profit by the cost price times 100. Can we do this, please? I want you to calculate this, dear children. 60,000 divided by 4 lakhs times 100. Very easy. Uh, because of the zeros, you will be like thinking that it's too big, it will take a lot of time, but no, it's very easy. Okay, so I hope it's done. Here, how we'll solve it. 4 zeros here, I'm canceling 4 zeros here. Okay. Now it is 6 by 40 and actually 600 by 40. 1 0 I'm canceling here. It is now 60 by 4. 6 times 10 by 4. Okay. It's 15. That means 15% is the profit percentage. Yeah, 15%. I hope you got the same answer. Did you? Yeah. Okay. Now moving on to the next one. Here you have similar kind of question. A person buys a plot at 4 lakhs, but now he's selling it at 3 lakh 60,000. Now that means, like, if this is the question, that means here we can see that the cost price is more than the selling price, which means loss. Yeah, we need to find the loss first. Loss is cost price minus the selling price. Cost price is 4 lakh. Selling price is 3 lakh 60,000. So what is the loss? Loss is 4 lakh minus 3 lakh 60,000 is 40,000. Yeah. Now we need to find the loss percent. You know, loss percent is calculated, or like it will be calculated on cost price. So here loss by the cost price times 100. Loss is 40,000. Cost price is 4 lakhs times 100. Please solve it. How much is the loss? Very easy. You don't even need your pen pencil for this. You can calculate it in your mind. So what will I do? I'll cancel 4 zeros by the 4 zeros, 1 zero by the 1 zero. So this is 40 by 4, which is 10%. 10% is the loss percent. 10 is the loss percent in the sale. Okay? Okay, now we will move on to different kind of question. Here we have a person buys an electric bicycle at 20,000 and profit percent is given to you this time. Profit percent is 15. 15 is the profit percent. Now in this case, you need to find the selling price. How do we do that? Any idea? Any idea how do we do that? Okay, so let's see. Perfect. Yeah. So here, buys an electric bicycle, that's what we can say is cost price. Okay. Profit is 15%. This is not the profit, but profit percent. Profit is 15% here. Selling price we need to find. Okay. How can we do that? So here we have to find the selling price, cost price is given, profit percentage is given. We need to find the profit also. Okay. Once we find the profit, after that we can find the selling price. So first we need to find the profit with the profit percent. You know that, like, we did the formula, profit percent is equal to profit by the cost price times 100, right? With this formula only, we got profit as profit percent of cost price. With this formula only, we got it, like, to find the profit, we need to do profit percent times the cost price. Okay, profit percent times the cost price. Here 15% means 15 by 100 times the cost price is 20,000. 15% times 20, 15 by 100 times 20,000. When we solve it, like, 2 zeros cancel from here, cancel from here. 15 times 200 here. Yeah, so 15 times 2 is 30, you know, and then 2 zeros extra. That is 3,000 rupees is the profit. Now we got to know the profit. We can easily find out the selling price. Selling price is cost price plus profit. How did we get this? Because we know that profit, how do we find the profit? Selling price minus cost price. Now, if we have to find the selling price here, to find the selling price here, we need to do profit plus cost price, or cost price plus the profit. Okay. From one formula only you can derive the others. Right. So selling price, to find the selling price, cost price is 20,000 and profit is 3,000. So 20,000 plus 3,000, the selling price is 23,000. That means he sold the bicycle at how much? At what price? 23,000. So children, you will get such questions where maybe the cost price is given and profit percentage is given. You need to find the selling price, or vice versa, right? Loss is given and you have to find the selling price or the cost price. You just have to do one thing, find the profit or loss, whatever it is. Then whatever you need to find, selling price or cost price. So first find profit and loss, then come to the other thing. Okay. So yeah, children, we are done with our today's class. I hope you understood all the things that we have done today. Thank you so much for joining the session. I'll see you in the next class, but by the time, keep practicing. Take care, have fun, and may you have a lovely day ahead. Bye-bye.